How to add follow button on Facebook page. So if you want to add follow button on your Facebook page, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, you need to simply go with the upper right, which has that three bar icon. And after that, switch to your page in which you would like to add your Facebook button or your follow button. So once you switch to your page, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that three bar again, and just go with the profile. Now once you enter the profile, you need to go with the right side, which has that three dots icon. Once you tap on it, you will get an option of add action button or edit action button. So tap on it and then you can simply go with edit buttons. And under edit button, now if you want to add a follow button, then you just need to simply go and search for a follow button or follow option. So if you get a follow option right here, then you just need to simply go and toggle on the option of follow and you will get the follow button, right? But if you don't have that option, then what you need to do is just simply go back, and once you go back, you just need to simply go with the edit option, and under edit you need to go with the page settings, or just simply go with these settings, which is on the upper right. So scroll down and you will get an option of followers and public content. Once you tap on it, now you'll have an option of who can see the people, pages, and list you follow. And make sure the option is turned to public. So in my case, it's public. And after that, you need to scroll down and you will get an option of who can message. So search for who can message and turn off the messaging option on your page. Once you turn off the messaging option, then you will get the follow button on your Facebook page. So that's how you can get follow button on your Facebook page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.